this video I'm going to walk you through how to create an OPay account. So this video is going to be a step-by-step literally walking you through the process of actually creating an OPay account from anywhere you are in the world. So the first thing you need to do right here is to click on the first link in the video description. So once you click on the first link in the video description, it's going to actually take you right here straight to the Play Store account or to the iOS to actually download the app. So you can see right here is how the app is, and you can see I've already installed the app right here on my phone. Click on the app. So once you click on the app right here, this is how the app is going to look like. So all you need to do right here is to just click on this button right here. So you're going to be seeing a login button. So once you click on this login button right here, it's going to take you straight up to this page. So you're going to be clicking on click here to get a new OPay account. So once you click on this, click here to get a new OPay account. So it's going to take you straight up to this page right here where you'll be asked to like fill out your phone number. So once you fill out your phone number, basically you're going to be getting a 1,200 bonus for actually using my link. So that's the reason why I told you earlier to make sure you use my link. So you're going to be getting this free 1,200 naira whenever you use my link to sign up for an OPay account. After you're done filling out your phone number right here, they're going to ask you for your full name, your legal name. So you need to make sure you put in your legal name, and your legal name must actually match with the name on your ID card, because you're going to be asked to like provide your ID card, your BVN, stuff like that. Once you're done with the process right here, this is how your account is going to look like. So this is how the OPay dashboard actually looks like. So once you're done right here, the next thing you need to do right here is to actually verify your account, because if you do not verify your account, OPay is actually going to be placing a limit on your account. All you need to do right here is to head over to the main section. So once you head over to the main section right here, you're going to be heading over to the account limit. So once you click on this account limit right here, then you're going to be clicking on upgrade my account. So once you click on upgrade my account right here, they're going to ask you like to fill out your NIN. So once you fill out your NIN, they're also going to be asking you to like fill out your BVN. So once you're done filling out your BVN right here, the next thing you need to do right here is to actually link your banks and card to OPay, so you'll be able to like carry out some transactions using the app. You could just head over to the banks and card option right here. You guys could see right here that I already linked my first bank account right here to my OPay account. So you could either link your first bank account, link your Access Bank account, or whatever card you are using. Then you need to like link your account right here, that is your bank account. So anytime you want to like make a withdrawal from the OPay account, the money is gonna go straight into your bank account. Guys, I hope you found the video helpful. If you know you did, make sure you like the video and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and also feel free to ask me any question in the comment section below if you know you want to ask any question, and I'm going to be answering all your questions. See you guys next time.